Okay, last visual effect is torn edge. Drag and drop it. It's for creating such these effects. If you go into its settings, you can assign it to the top, right, bottom, and left. You can turn it on or off. In which part do you want to assign? Okay. You can change the color to better see that. I change it to the red. You can change the margin. Again, you can animate everything and every parameter in Camtasia. Going to the animation, and in here I will show you more. You can go here, going in this timeline, and change the margin, something like that. And you can see we have an interesting animation of the tone edge. So it's very powerful. You can animate everything. Don't forget to that. Okay, this is a margin. Here is the size of that margin, taper of that. You can see we have more. This red, to blend how soft or smooth. If you blend it, we can soften the edges to blend. You can refresh everything. You can change amount of that. Jacketness, more random, more jacket, and randomize that if you want. For randomize, I think we can animate randomize also. So with changing your randomize, you can create animation. I think. Let's see what happened here. Yeah, you can see it's an idea that you can animate your randomize and changing and randomize and have animation to be the torn edge. And okay, this is the last visual effects in Camtasia that you can use it.